Hi teachers, welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to teach the simple business plan from the Getting Started guide. You'll find it on page 4 under the title, Make a Plan. This is where students begin to shift from just selling a product to actually thinking like a business owner. The goal isn't a formal business plan. It's to introduce foundational thinking in a way that's concrete, personal, and age-appropriate. You'll notice the page is broken into 4 questions. 1. Who is my customer? 2. Where and when can I find this customer? 3. What are the best ways to talk to them? 4. What do I say? These questions gently introduce core concepts of business: customer targeting, customer access, marketing channels, and sales language. Let's break down how to teach each one. Who is my customer? This question helps students think about who would actually want what they are selling. Encourage them to describe the type of person. Is it kids their age, parents, sports fans, pet lovers? You can even have them draw their ideal customer if writing feels like a barrier. Ask students to imagine one person who would be really excited to buy their product. Who are they? What do they like? Number 2. Where and when can I find this customer? This encourages students to think logistically. Where are these people likely to be? Soccer games, grocery stores, birthday parties? This is an introduction to location-based marketing, but we don't need to use that term. Use examples they'll recognize. You might say, if you were selling after-school snacks, where would your customers be at 3 p.m.? Number 3. What are the best ways to talk to them? This introduces the idea of communication strategies, what we'd call marketing channels. Students can list things like talking to someone at school, texting with help from a parent, posting on social media with supervision, or creating a flyer. If your students are shy, help them role-play or brainstorm nonverbal ways to talk to customers, like making signs or writing an email. Alright, so here's the number 1 tip from this video. Adults will often ask a kidpreneur why they are doing this. It's super important to help them get an answer practiced and ready. And now, here are some suggested answers. I'm learning to be an entrepreneur or a business person. I have a goal I am working toward. That goal is X. Or I'm raising money for charity. Adults love to see kids being productive and want to know that the student is truly learning something or supporting a cause. You can turn this into a partner activity. Students take turns practicing their pitch with a classmate and giving kind feedback. Options for how to plan the activity. You can teach this page in one class period or break it into 2 sessions. Option 1. Have students complete the page independently, then pair up for a practice pitch. Option 2. Do a class brainstorm for each question, and then have students apply their ideas to their own product. The goal is to help students connect their product to real people, and to begin thinking like real entrepreneurs. When students finish this page, they'll walk away with a mini business plan that covers who they're serving, how they'll reach them, and what they'll say. It's a powerful moment, because suddenly they're not just doing a class activity, they're launching a real business.